Hello students, we continue with chapter 13, part 4, volume of combination of solids. Let's discuss one example. A juice seller was serving his customers using glasses as shown in the figure. The dimensions of the glass are given as height of the glass is 10 centimeter and diameter 5 centimeter, but the bottom of the glass had a hemispherical raised portion which reduced the capacity of the glass. Find the apparent capacity of the glass and actual capacity of the glass. So here you are able to see this glass. A hemispherical raised portion is there. Height of the cylindrical glass is 10 and diameter 5, radius 2.5 and value of pi is 3.14 given. So juice seller is here showing some juice less. Apparent capacity of glass. Apparent capacity means the capacity which is visible to us. We look here that the glass is full of juice. It means apparent capacity of glass is volume of the cylindrical part, that is pi r square h. Pi is here 3.14, radius 2.5 into 2.5, height is 10. So it will be 196.25 cubic centimeter. Now what is the actual capacity of the glass? Actually the glass is not totally filled because this portion is raised in hemispherical part. So there is no juice in this part. What will be the actual capacity? That is volume of cylindrical part minus volume of hemispherical part. So actual capacity of glass is volume of cylindrical part minus volume of hemispherical part. Volume of cylindrical part pi r square h and hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r square h is 196.25 minus 2 by 3, pi 3.14 and radius is 2.15. So actual capacity of the glass is 163.54. So the juice seller is here dishonest. He is not an honest person. He is showing the capacity of the juice as 196.25 cubic centimeter but serving the customer with 163.54 cubic centimeter of juice. So now exercise 13.2, question number 1, volume of combination of a solid figure. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. This is a cone standing on a hemisphere with both radii equal to 1 centimeter. Radius of hemisphere as well as radius of cone is 1. And find the volume of solid in terms of pi, and height of cone is also 1. So height of cone 1, radius is 1, volume of solid is very simple, volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h and volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. If radius are same, we can take the common one. 1 by 3 pi r square common, h plus 2r. Putting the values, radius is 1, height is 1 and twice of the radius means 2 into 1. So 1 by 3 pi into 3, that is pi cubic centimeter. This is a model made by an engineering student in the shape of a cylinder with two cones attached to its two ends, and it has been made by a thin aluminium sheet. Find the volume of air contained in it. Now total length of the model is 12 centimeter and height of the conical part is 2. Here it is 2, it is 2. So length of cylindrical part is 12 minus 2 minus 2, that is 8 centimeter and radius is 1.5. So volume of air contained, volume of cylindrical part plus volume of two conical part. Now measurements are given to us. So volume of cylindrical part is pi r square h plus twice the volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h dash. H is height of cylindrical part and h dash is height of conical part. Now pi r square common, we are left with h plus 2 by 3 h dash. So putting the values, radius 1.5, height of cylindrical part is 8 and height of conical part is 2. 22 by 7 into 1.5 into 1.5 into 8 plus 4 by 3. When we solve the bracket, it is 28 by 3 and after simplification it is 66 cubic centimeter, that is the volume of air contained. So question 3, this is a gulab jamun in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. Each gulab jamun contain sugar syrup up to 30% of its volume. How much sugar syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends? So total length is 5 cm, diameter 2.8, so radius is 1.4. It means this is 1.4, this is 1.4, total is 5. So what is the length of cylindrical part? 5 minus 1.4 minus 1.4, that is 2.2. Now what is the volume of one gulab jamun? It is volume of cylindrical part plus volume of two hemispherical parts. Pi r square h plus twice of 2 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r square common, h plus 4 by 3 r. Putting the values, radius is 1.4 into 1.4, 4 by 3 into 1.4. Inside bracket it is 2.2 plus 5.6 by 3, 6.6 plus 5.6, 12.2 by 3. Now this is the volume of one gulab jamun. Volume of 45 gulab jamun, this volume to be multiplied with 45. We will do simplification at the end. It will be 22 into 2.8 into 183. Now volume of sugar syrup, that is 30% of the volume. So 30% of the volume contained by 45 gulab jamun, 30% of 22 into 2.8 into 183, that is 338.184 or approximate 338 cubic centimeter sugar syrup is contained in 45 gulab jamun. So I hope you are able to understand the concept of volume of combination of solids. So in your homework, you will complete 1 to 4 questions of 13.2. Thank you.